So hello guys and welcome back to another podcast from Accelerate channel. So how are you all doing? I hope everyone is fine. So before starting this podcast on 2JZs, make sure you guys follow me on social media. The links are below in the description. So let's get started on today's podcast. So we are talking about the 2JZ, not about the Supras. That will be a whole another episode and whole another great video on it, which will be soon. So just be patient for it. So the 2JZ uh, was mainly introduced in the Supra back in the 90s. The 2JZ was made by Toyota for the competition against the RB series from the Nissan. It has taken various notes from the RB series for manufacturing. It is a 3-liter inline 6 engine which produces naturally, sorry, not naturally, stock power are 325 horsepower and 440 newton meters of torque. From the same 2JZ block, two more engines were produced. One was naturally aspirated and two others were turbo. In total, three engines were product of the same block. One was called as 2JZ-GET, 2JZ-GE, which was the naturally aspirated variant, and 2JZ-FSE. The production of JZ was in from around 1991 to 2007. The 2JZ is one of the most loved engine by the car community all around the world, not only from the Japan. The engine is built way too strong from the factory. The Toyota is known for their reliable vehicles and engines, and 2JZ is also similar. Although it's produced only 325 horsepower torque, but with only some minor upgrades like fuel pump, injectors, and turbo, you can easily go up to 750 and plus horsepower. To build much boost or build much power from this engine is really easy, and the engine can hold up to 2000 horsepower way too easily with aftermarket parts. The 2JZ engine was available in various vehicles such as uh, Toyota Supra, the legendary car from which the engine was more to be known car, and both the engines are famous from the same vehicle. 2JZ and Supra just goes along like made for each other. It was also available in the IS300, GS300, and etc. few others vehicles. The naturally aspirated variant were also available in various vehicles. 2JZ is the one of the most engine swap, should I say, the the engine which people used to swap. You can take any vehicle shell and put a JZ in it with no issues. It was really easy to work on. It has a really big fan base and a cult following around it. The 2JZ is used for various purposes, like it's used in drifting, it's used in drag races, also using track purposes. It is a very famous engine, and it's made around 1990, which is almost 30 years from now, but still it's hold its name and fame till this date. But these were the good side of the JZ. What were the bad side? The things which used to fall out easily, the things like the oil pump, crank pulley, and the issues in the sequential turbos. The aftermarket community or the aftermarket parts of the JZ 2JZ are available easily, and most of the online websites. One can easily upgrade the 2JZ available in their car all by themselves if they know what they are doing, because it's easy to work on a 2JZ. The engine is an inline six-cylinder 3-liter turbo, and naturally aspirated variants are also available for the same engine. The block is essentially the same for all the three types of engine. I get to know about the 2JZ from the movie Fast and the Furious. When was the first time you all came in contact with the 2JZ or the Supra in your life? Just let me know in the comments below. I will definitely read it. The exhaust sound, the blow off valve, amazing sound coming from the engine is truly an breathtaking experience to the ears. I hope you like this small podcast from me. I will be working on various podcasts on engine series, vehicle series, and some other purposes. The next podcast should be definitely on Boss 302 engine or the Mustang 302 series itself. So I hope you all enjoying this. I love making this for you all. So make sure you guys follow me on social to get the latest updates. And yes, I know the bike update is on its way, which will be out soon. So thanks for listening. Signing out. Bye.